All right, my mad scrappers, we're back at the scene of the crime. Just how much trouble can I get into here? Let's find out. All right, guys, the mayhem starts. I started and I forgot to start with you guys, so I was unfaithful. Here, let me zoom out a little bit to show you some of the stuff that's here. This stuff is not, there's nothing Tim Holtzy except for the blending pen. I came and got the blending pen. Over here we do have a bunch of wood mounts, so I have to decide if any of these are ones that I would like to get. Like that happy birthday. It's cute. $1.62. I mean, I have a bunch of happy birthdays, but this is done on a circle, so we might have to acquire it. We have trucks and barns and feathers and keys and some more to take care of her. Ooh, that one's really cool. Psalm 112:7. A friend loves at all times. Oh, that one has to be acquired, I believe, too. So, I mean, guys, the clearance sale here is cool. Uh-oh. We've got archival ink down there. Let's see. Wow, $3.49. I'm not a big user to have a big, but blue might get me, because we know blue's my favorite color. So we have a bunch of these stuff. I had looked down, I don't know how I didn't snag. I already got a couple in my cart. But here, let me do some tossing. But this, guys. Look at that. The ink pads. These are, I'm sure, their brand. Who cares? I mean, it's a 4-pack for $2.49. So I have grabbed. I'm not sure about the white. I didn't snag it because white is the most difficult one, and there's something that tells me a cheap white ain't gonna work very well. So, when I was here before, these colors were not on clearance. But I'm not a fluorescent person, so I think I'm going to leave those, believe it or not, for somebody else who would use it. So, okay, sorry, I'm trying to make you dizzy, not make you dizzy. But I'm coming back for the feeties. I regretted not getting them. Now I am. So I'm grabbing all of those footies. And, gosh, there's a part of me that says, don't be stupid, Mayra. You'll figure out a project for them. And I will. Okay, I'm nothing if not intrepid. What about these stars? I didn't even catch those yesterday. Those are cool little embellishments. So, yes, you can tell. Impulse control issues. But here, I'm going to take you down the aisle, and then I'm going to come down, because it'll, you know, this will go forever if I don't. And show you guys. But there is a ton. Oh, there's a lot less stuff. There's a lot of stuff missing. Can you tell? That stuff, I'm sure, that's been picked over. They're already here. They have glue sticks and some wax seal sticks there for those who are into wax seals. I am trying not to be into wax seals. They do have some quilling supplies or tools. So, and I want to do some quilling, so I think I'm going to take a look at these. So, okay, give me a second. Let me give a cursory look at what I want to see, and then I'll be right back with the next aisle. Okay, my scrappy friends, I am down the paper aisle, which you know I will not be able to resist temptation. But these are the paper kits that are on sale for $1.74. Here's the one that I already brought home, but this is the one I wished I had gotten, and look how pretty it is. So I no longer have to wish. Oh, look, it fell in my cart. Ooh, look at this one. Look how pretty that is. These have different stickers. Again, $1.74. Cute butterflies. Of course I like it. It's butterflies. So, oh look, it fell in my cart too. Oh, and here's another one. So there's more of these. Oh, there's different ones. So we got to look through these. So let me take you down and then I'll paw through them. But there are a lot of red stickers. Pads, the 12 by 12s are down to $5.49. Not everything. Like, ooh, look. This is Old World Winter, already cut down into a size that we can use for cards. So a lot of things are falling in this card. It's really bad already. I saw somebody else, and I didn't see this last night, sorry. And now I did. And I saw them, and it was beautiful. Because that's when I do a lot of my YouTube watching, is in the late night. And we've got, now here's our card stocks. This is a really pretty color, and it's $1.99. It's not a color I work a lot in, though, but we have to open ourselves up, don't we? So I'm leaving it there. That's in the maybe pile. But that's the paper aisle. I'm going to go back and now really look over stuff, but I wanted to give you a bird's eye view. Well, people, if you like stickers, this is the aisle. And there are not a ton, but there's stuff here on clearance. I already picked up a whole box of these, and I have a bunch also, so it's like, I decided not to be greedy. And ooh, I don't know about the gold ones, the silver ones. That's interesting. It's like, I was told, I don't remember seeing these on clearance yesterday, $1.24, and I don't know if I like them. So it's kind of like, let's be real here. We're gonna pick up stuff. Let's pick up stuff that we're going to use, like these. These will get used. So I think I'm gonna snag these. And what are these strips? Let's see, I switched hands. What do we got going on here? I don't know, even though they're my colors. I don't know, but they're 99 cents, so it's something that I'm willing to, a sword I'm willing to throw myself down on. Ooh, these are pretty. $2.24. I think I'll snag them. I know, right? This is no wonder. I'm broke. Oh my goodness. Now, can you tell somebody just got paid? But there's a lot of stuff to go through. I am not a huge sticker person. But I did want to show you guys that you got to look. You got to go to your Hobby Lobby and look. And by the way, I struggled with this in my prior video. It's stick abilities. I'm telling you. But okay, I'm now going to finish up this aisle and I'll be right back.